मैंने कर दी। यस। Gold medal for Bachelor of Technology in Chemical Engineering is awarded to Yatin Gangwani. Gold medal for Bachelor of Technology in Computer Engineering is awarded to Himani Khanduja. हाँ, अंकित गुप्ता है। अंकित। Gold medal for Bachelor of Technology in Electrical Engineering is awarded to Ankita Gupta. Gold medal for Bachelor of Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering is awarded to Nikhil Jain. Gold medal for Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology is awarded to Lavina Sachdev. Gold medal for Bachelor of Technology in Mechanical Engineering is awarded to Bhupesh Kumar Yadav. Gold medal for Bachelor of Technology in Metallurgical and Materials Engineering is awarded to Kesav Agrawal. The gold medal for Bachelor in Architecture is awarded to Yamini Bhargav. Gold medal for Master of Technology in Chemical Engineering is awarded to Sweta Lal. Gold medal for Master of Technology in Environmental Engineering is awarded to Abhinav Ahuja. Gold medal for Master of Technology in Structural Engineering is awarded to Sayus Garg. Gold medal for Master of Technology in Transportation Engineering is awarded to Piyush Mehta. Gold medal for Master of Technology in Renewable Energy is awarded to Shesh Nag CS. Gold medal for Master of Technology in Power System is awarded to Sumit Gill. Gold medal for Master of Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering is awarded to Ayush Madan. Gold medal for Master of Technology in Energy Engineering is awarded to Rakesh. Gold medal for Master of Technology in Water Resources Engineering is awarded to Anish Matthew. Gold medal for Master of Technology in Manufacturing System Engineering is awarded to Sumit Chawla. Gold medal for Master of Technology in Metallurgical and Materials Engineering is awarded to Parul Yadav. Gold medal for Master of Planning in Urban Planning is awarded to Ananya Singh Hada. Gold medal for Master of Science in Applied Chemistry is awarded to Priyas Bansali. Gold medal for Master of Science in Mathematics is awarded to Anjali Ahuja. Gold medal for Master of Science in Physics is awarded to Beraram Tak.
Let the record of degrees be presented to the Chairman, Board of Governors for signatures.
Mr. Director, sir, I request you to present a memento to the Chairman, BOG, Professor K.K. Agarwal, sir. Mr. Chairman, sir, I request you to present a memento to the Chief Guest, Dr. Anil Kapotkar, sir.
Let the oath be administered.
I request you all to rise up, please. All the degree recipients only. Shall we start? I hereby pledge that it shall be my constant endeavor to be scrupulously honest in discharge of my duties, to uphold the dignity of the individual and the integrity of the profession, to utilize my knowledge for the glory of the institute in the service of the country and mankind at large. Thank you.
Kindly be seated. Mr. Chairman, sir, I request you to declare the convocation closed.
Kindly stand up for the national anthem.
All will rise on their seats for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम्। शन्नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्भक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु भक्तारम्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शिक्षां व्याख्यास्यामः वर्णस्वरः मात्राबलं सामसन्तानः इत्युक्तः शिक्षाध्यायः। सहनौ यशः सहनौ ब्रह्मवर्चसम् अथातः सगंहिताय उपनिषदं व्याख्यास्यामः। पञ्चस्वधिकरणेषु अधिलोकमधिज्यौतिषमधिविद्यमधिप्रजमध्यात्मम् रामः सगंहिता इत्याचक्षते।
That brings us to the end of 9th convocation of MNIT. Congratulations to one and all who have received degrees. All of you are invited for lunch across this garden. Students know it by the name Ashok Vatika. So parents and students, they are invited for lunch.
Excuse me.
Guest MNIT staff, faculty, all who are here, they are invited for lunch.